Everyone, today's video is going to be a review of the new Hourglass Magic Veil powder, and I am so excited to try this because I love setting powders and I've heard great things about this one. Another great thing is that it comes with this amazing powder brush, which is a duo powder brush, which you can see is one side fluffy and one side short and less fluffy. The container is so gorgeous. Like, let me show you. See, right here, and I've tried it before, but I've not tested it all as such. So this video is like a full test. Whole video is gonna be based on the powder, and I'm gonna be seeing how it sets, how it stays throughout the day, how it makes my face look like, how it sets my face and my under eyes, and is it dewy, is it matte, does it crease and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be using very affordable base, not much expensive stuff. Basically, which I have tried before and I know how they work. I'm gonna use the Elegant Pro HD foundation in the shade Porcelain, and Makeup Revolution concealer in C3 just to highlight, and then I'm gonna bronze and blush, and this will be the powder, and I'm gonna little bit of highlighter, and that's it. I'm gonna be testing it, how the powder works for the whole makeup. So yeah, starting with the foundation.
Like it's a vibe under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
So guys, I've tested off the powder, so you can see how it looks. It's very much matte right now. It gets a little bit dewy by the end of the day, so I will see if this happens with this foundation combination as well. For now, I really like how the finish goes. Let me see up close. I need a mirror. There is no creasing whatsoever. My face looks nice. It is very much matte, and I will be doing some check-ins by the end of the day, so you can see how it stays and how it makes my face look like. With this foundation, it tends to get a little bit dewy by the end of the day, so we'll see if this powder does help my oil under control, and does this elongate the stay of the foundation. And I will do some check-ins and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Hi guys, I'm back after 2.5 hours of the wear of the powder, and I'm super impressed that this powder has not even moved slightly. Like, it is just as good as the initial wear, flawless, and it's so not matte to the point it's drying. And I think I like it even more than the Laura Mercier one, which is slightly matte. At the end of the day, after 2 to 3 hours, it gets a little bit mattified. Good for somebody who likes to control oil. But if you're staying in the air conditioner all the time, even if you have oily skin, you won't need that kind of mattifying powder. And there is no creasing whatsoever. I also like the concealer, which is great that it has not creased with the powder. And that concealer is so affordable, guys. You know that. It's just $7 and it's just £5 in UK. So in India, it's around 600 rupees. This is very affordable concealer. So guys, I will check in later after 3 hours, and that will be my final check-in for the day. And I think 5 hours of wear of any kind of powder is enough to justify how good it is. And I can already tell this is gonna be one of my top favorite powders, and I will let you know my final thoughts in the last check-in. Bye bye. So guys, final check-in time, and now I am back after watching the clock. It's more than 6 hours, and I think it's the best time to to check how my face looks now. Now we gotta see how the face looks now after 6 hours of fear. The final check-in is now to be done, and I'm looking very close, and I see a little bit of lines here, which is like very common with all my borders. If I set my concealer, if I don't set my, I normally do that, but if I don't set my concealer, it is gonna be worse than this. I do see some oil secretion on my cheeks where I have a lot of pores these days, and a little bit shine on this area, like this cheek area. And my T-zone is not that shiny to my surprise, but only this part. And my chin is also not very shiny. My forehead is okay. And I was like really afraid because people call it as like a satin finish or a velvety finish. I do have a pimple here, so if you're wondering what this is going on here, it's a pimple. So other than that, I'm really happy. My under eyes look snatched and so perfect. I'm still good to go. My makeup is on point. Also, if you like the good look, like my eyes, my lips, how they are looking, I do have a tutorial like based on full face on one brand. Apart from my face, which I did here after removing my base, everything else is just the same what you see, and you can check it out. I will add the link in the end of the video, also in the description box. But coming back to our product, this is one of my favorite, if not the favorite. I have yet got to try it like a little bit more, but guys, I'm really impressed. It is worth the money, and I love the brush which comes with it. I like that it has a big fluffy thing to go on all over the face, little bit slightly. And this one brush is so good for under eyes, for baking, and here and there, you know, and also to retouch. It still has powder. Okay. I'm gonna give it at least 9.5 out of 10. It will take me longer to make it 10 if it stays on other skin tones and my clients, and I think I can definitely suggest this for the makeup enthusiasts, also makeup professionals, makeup artists who want to include a nice high-end powder in their kit which is not too drying, and they're looking for an alternative to the Laura Mercier powder. So anyways guys, this is all I want to say about this product, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.